Want to make money without spending hours a day working? What if I told you that you could earn $2,500 per week with just 10 minutes a day on Pinterest? That's right, Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money using Pinterest and how you can start earning $2,500 per week in 2023. Hey everyone, it's great to have you here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $2,500 per week using Pinterest. You might be thinking, Pinterest? How can you make money using a social media platform that's mostly used for DIY and recipe ideas? Well, I'm going to share with you a secret method that not many people know about. With just 10 minutes a day on Pinterest, you can start earning serious money. So, how does it work? First, you need to find a niche that you're interested in. It can be anything from health and wellness to fashion and beauty. Next, you need to create a Pinterest account and start creating boards related to your niche. The key is to create high-quality, visually appealing pins that will catch people's attention. Once you have your boards and pins set up, you can start promoting affiliate products. You can do this by including your affiliate link in your pins or by creating blog posts that link to your affiliate products. When people click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. But here's the real secret: you don't need a huge following or a massive amount of pins to start earning money on Pinterest. With just 10 minutes a day, you can use a specific strategy to target the right audience and get your pins in front of the right people. This method is incredibly effective and can help you earn $2,500 per week. So, there you have it, a simple and effective way to make money using Pinterest in 2023. With just 10 minutes a day, you can start earning serious money. The key is to find the right niche, create high-quality pins, and use a specific strategy to target the right audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll give this method a try. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried this method before.